Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to use Face Swapper on the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the designs.ai website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, what we have to do, we have to go to this option and we have to open this in a new link. As you can see, I have opened this in a new link. Let's go to this. And after that, as you can see, upload a source or choose a target photo. You have to choose photo from here, or you can choose the upload a source. For example, I'm going to click on this and then we have to upload the picture. As you can see, sign up or login to continue from here. And after that, for example, if you want to choose this one, for example, I'm going to choose like this, and now I'm going to choose this. And as you can see, now let's click on the face swap one credit. Let's click on this and I'm going to accept this and I understand. As you can see, now you are going to see the face swap like this. We have to wait for a few seconds and it will be converted into this shape. So as you can see, now the result is in front of you. The 5% is completed, and after the 100% will be completed, you will be able to see the result here. So as you can see, now the face is swapped. So in this way, you can use the AI face swapper. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.